So the Fanuc collaborative robot brings a whole new level of efficiency to the LightWELD laser welding system. The LightWELD on its own is a very powerful tool, but the Cobot brings along ultimate accuracy and repeatability. So here what you see is we're going to be doing a zigzag type spot weld on these coupons here. So here we go. So you see here running through its timeline-based programming menu. It's going along command by command, doing these laser spot welds in a zigzag fashion. It's a high-speed way of getting a lot of surface area of weld into a small area. And the light weld does a good job.